Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL AF650 headphones and I'm going to tell you how to fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. At first, open settings and here go to connect devices. In your iPhone you have to go into your Bluetooth. Now scroll down on your Android phone and click on preferences. On iPhone, disable Bluetooth. On Android you have to do the same by entering Bluetooth and disabling it. Now take your headphones and turn them off with this switch over here. Now if they are turned off, we have to wait a moment, for example 10 to 20 seconds. After this time we have to turn on our headphones back and enter pairing mode with this button over here. Now we have to enable Bluetooth back on our phone, and now we have to check if we can connect with our headphones. As I can see, I can. If you still can't connect to your headphones, you have to do a hard reset. To do so, or check our channel. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.